I had a dream last night, we drove out to see Las Vegas. We lost ourselves in the bright lights. I wish you.
We're sorry to interrupt your program. This is not a test. Important messages will follow. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security has issued a Chuck Norris alert for the states of Missouri, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and New York until further notice. Chuck Norris is capable of destroying public property and he can roundhouse kick anyone to death. If you see any property being vandalized in your area, take cover and seek shelter in a basement or the lowest part of your homes immediately. Do not wait until he breaks open the front door of your house, because if you do, you could give him a chance to beat you up extremely badly. Oh shit. Chuck Norris is here. He has managed to breach into the EAS headquarters, and I wasn't even done talking yet. No. This hurts really bad. Ow, 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 ow. Please have mercy. Ouchie, please, oh man, please. Ouch, now I'm dying. Everyone, take cover now. Please. Ouch.
Ha. Everyone who is receiving this alert must take immediate action, because I, Chuck Norris, will now start vandalizing more property. However, if you don't seek shelter in a basement or lower part of your homes, I will roundhouse kick any one of you in sight. Fear me.